For the repair of Hyundai ACB breaker, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electromechanical components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add a portable charger to the ACB and 220-volt AC power supply.
At first, we trip the breaker manually. Then we trip the breaker with the help of the UVT. Next, we perform a short time delay test and the breaker trips almost instantly. And lastly, we perform a long time delay test.
It is now clear that the Hyundai ACB 5 breaker is working successfully and it is ready to be delivered to the customer.